Math 3, final benchmark, number 31. The graph of a polynomial shows the width of a vase y in inches with respect to the distance from the base of the vase x in inches. All right, so you can see here this is the width, and you can see on the bottom this is the distance from the base in inches. Which statement is true? The width of the vase is either increasing or decreasing. All right, so let's examine the graph. So from here to here, we can tell that the graph is decreasing. And then at this point, it starts increasing again. And then from here down, it is decreasing again. So if the graph is going down, it's decreasing. If it's going up, it's increasing. All right, so the width of the vase is decreasing from 0 to 12. So this says x. We know that this is our x-axis. So from 0 to 12, it goes down and back up. So it's not just decreasing. So that's not the correct answer. The width of the vase is decreasing from 6 to 12. All right, there's 4 and 8. So from 6 to 12, it's decreasing. That's not true. That's increasing. And then the width of the vase is increasing from 0 to 12. So from 0 to 12, it decreases and increases both. So that's not it. And the last one, the width of the vase is increasing from 6 to 12. Well, here's 4, here's 6, and here's 12. So from here to here, that is increasing. So for question 31, the answer is D.